So I have the Amelia WordPress booking plugin for my appointment, but I have issue is when I didn't log in, I can't see the plugin here. And if I logged it in, it's actually here. You can see I already installed the Amelia plugin on my website. So how do I solve this problem is I use the SiteGround as my website hosting, and I go to the speed optimizer. Go to the front end. So once I go to the front end, I go to the JavaScript. So in here, the defer render blocking JavaScript, the recommend is turned it on. I will turn on. So now I turn it off. So once I turn it off, I go back to this page, refresh it, and I come back straight away. Hope this video can help you. Thank you very much for your watch.